Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to watch YouTube videos using VLC media player. Before go to the video, please subscribe my channel. Okay. Follow these steps. First of all, you need to find video on YouTube. I found my own video for this tutorial. And copy it using right-click your mouse. Like this. Now you want to open VLC media player using Start menu. And now click Media and open Network Steam option. And past YouTube video link and play it. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this. See you soon with next video.